Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Very much welcome. My name is Pidi. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please kindly subscribe, like the video, share the video as well. Now let us discuss ubaba Musamseliku, guys. Yes, namhlanje this is the day when Uthando Nesthembu season 9 is back on our screens, you guys. This is the 4th of February 2026. We all knew Uthando Nesthembu season 9, they are coming back. So yeah, man, Musamseliku is to revealing all you guys on Uthando Nesthembu. Remember when they were telling us, okay, umusa ke uthi uyeza bayeza season 9, and obviously we've been waiting and waiting. So now Baba Musamseliku is back, and this time nothing will be hidden, you guys. They will be revealing a lot when it comes to this particular season. Uthando Nesthembu returns for its 9th season, you guys, on Wednesday the 4th, like I said, today. According to Baba Musamseliku, the viewers should prepare for a very different experience, okay? Baba Musamseleku's family is more exposed, vulnerable, and honest than ever before. Everyone involved, including wife number 5, must face the truth, okay? Season 9 get premiered on Mzansi Magic channel 161, and now it is twice a week, okay, on Wednesday and Thursdays. Now, Ubaba Musa from Mzumbe KZN said the show continues to follow him and his wives, Umacelu Mayeni Mangwabe and Uma Khumalo, you guys. Now, this season, Umakwela is also known as wife number 5, is fully part of the story, right? Now she is fully part of the family. Sesiyamazi wife number 5. Ubaba Musamseleku's wives are 5. Okay, I kwindaba ka 4 wives. There is wife number 5. Bawu-5 ke manje bafowethu. After 8 seasons, we are now experiencing something completely different, brought on by the introduction of Umakwela. Now, the core idea of the family's legacy is being put to the test, and the viewers will have a front row seat to everything. That's what Babu Musa said. Despite the pressure and the public scrutiny, Musa said it was important to keep sharing his family journey. It is important to keep telling the story because as we grow, the story grows and it becomes more dynamic. That's what he said. But watching my family on television is a great and rare opportunity, but even more so, it makes me realize just how well known our families across South Africa and the rest of the continent. Wabu Musa said that this season it will be different because every thing will be out in the open. Okay, people should watch this season because it brings something new. For the first time, we see the reactions of all the people involved in the show. Nothing will be hidden from them as they get the opportunity to be part of the family and have the right to openly share their emotions. More than that, this season becomes a source of reference for everyone. That was Baba Musa you guys, telling us they are back and they mean business, you guys. So what we can expect, okay? So yeah, man, I can't wait, you guys. So Uthando Nesthembu uqala namhlanje, you guys. Season 9 uqala today. Mzansi Magic channel 161. That's where we are gonna be now watching Uthando Nesthembu on Wednesdays and then Thursdays. Ludlala kabili ke bafowethu evekini. So yeah, I mean, they was just giving us a little bit of what to expect. But like everything will be aired out. Everyone will be free. Like their emotions, everything. Okay? But fihla lutho wonke umuntu kumele akukhululeke asho noma yini sizobona ke yonke into ngomndeni wakamseleku. This is what I read here, you guys, but nothing will be left out. They are going to reveal everything about their family and they are happy to be back and they've grown. They didn't know ukuthi ngempela their family show will be where it is today. When I read, that's what they said, you guys. So they are very happy ukuthi they've grown as a family. So good luck to them, you guys. Good luck to them. I can't wait to watch season 9. Like, I can't wait to even review. Sunday World Naibeka about Uthando Nesthembu. I just want to see what they said, you guys. But I think I've already spoke about a lot of things that were spoken there. That was got Daily Sun. But I realized that Sunday World also then said something about this particular show coming back. The ever popular Uthando Nesthembu reality series is back tonight for its 9th season, giving fans an intimate look into the Msaleko household at a time when the family is more exposed and vulnerable than ever. They're also talking all about season 9 coming, when to watch Wednesdays and Thursdays, 8 p.m. Zansi Magic Channel 161, okay? The series continues to follow polygamist Ubaba Msamseko and his wife, Sumacelo Mayeni Mangwabo Makhumalo, and also introducing Umakwela, okay? The new season picks up after explosive December uncut. Remember the special December uncut, which left the family at a crossroads. Some wives openly considered leaving the marriage, while Umusa faced serious health challenges. This forced the household to confront hard truths and begin mending deeply strained relationships. After 8 seasons, we are now experiencing something completely different with Umakwela in the picture as well. This is what they continue to say, okay, Utumusa. The show had over 2.8 million viewers per episode in season 8, you guys. And it had more than 1 billion social media impressions. Proof that the Mselekus have earned their spot as South Africa's own reality TV royalty. Wow, as the family opens up more than ever, some things are shifting while others remain the same. The wives continue to face personal challenges, and the big question lingers, will the Mselekus get the same page again? Wow, even after 8 seasons, Mseleku promises season 9 will continue to surprise people. This is Baba Mseleku, guys, as Tembis ukuthi season 9 we must expect this and that. So wow, you guys. Yeah, I mean, bakhulile bakamseleku, to be honest, they have grown and they didn't think they will be here today where they are. This is what Ubaba Mseleku was saying. So yeah, man, guys, good luck to you watching Uthando Nesthembu season 9 today and tomorrow. Okay, this is Wednesday and Thursdays. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. Like and subscribe, share this rather meet again on my next upload. Bye.